Hey guys, Gia here and welcome to another cosplay review. So I haven't done one of these in quite a while. I believe the only one I did that I actually put out was my Sword Art Online Hollow Realization Kirito default jacket thing that I got that I wasn't happy with. And then I was going to do one for my Sora costume, but it was so bad and I was so angry that I wasn't going to put that video out because of how horrible things were, and you know, there's a lot of reasons not to put that one out. And then I never finished it, things like that. But I decided to do it for this one because this right here shouldn't be too bad. This whole costume actually shouldn't be too bad. I only have one thing today, so we're just doing this. The costume isn't going to be here till like next month, so I'm just going to do this now so I have a video out. So today I'm going to be reviewing this sword that I got for Rimuru from that time I got Reincarnated as a Slime. Now before we get into the actual unboxing, I did buy this, which is a wooden katana, and it was really thick and I wanted to put a sheath on it so that I could sheath it. It had a little handguard, I don't remember what those are called, but it had a handguard on it that wasn't the right one, and I did make one out of foam that'll fit over here that I wanted to wait until I could get everything done. But upon doing this later on that night, I went online and was just looking around a little bit because I just continued to look for swords. Most of them I was going to be spending almost $100 for one sword. This one I'm not paying that much for. So that was kind of my thing, was I didn't want to pay more than I could just buy one for. So this one is about the same cost as that one. And the main problem was a lot of them were like $25, $30, $40 with double that for shipping. Not like $30 and then double that for $30 to create $60 total dollars. No, it was $30 and then $60 for shipping only. Actually, for the main one that I was looking at was $30 for the sword and $64 for shipping. So I would have been paying $94 plus if they did any tax, I don't know if they did or not, for a $30 sword. So that wasn't gonna happen. Also, I'll link you guys to this one that I do have in the description, but I'm gonna tell you flat out right now, don't buy from them. The only reason that I bought from them is because they had a thing going on where they gave you like a bunch of money off. They gave you a bunch of coupons for signing up, and that's the only reason that I actually decided to go with them, because it made it cheap enough that if I didn't like it, I still have the backup. So there's that. So if you guys go down in the description, you guys will see I bought this from Milanoo, and the reason I tell you not to go there is because of how bad they normally are. They are the #1 place that people get scammed from. Like, they sell everything. They're not even a cosplay site. They sell, if it's created, they sell it. That's what they are. Anything in the world. They sell wedding dresses, really crappy ones. And if you've ever seen the expectation versus reality and you see like the wedding dress, it looks really crappy in person, but it looks really different on the model, that's usually from that site. That's where those come from. So I would advise not to buy this. I'm not expecting this to be really that good, but this is a costume I didn't want to have to sit down for hours and make if I could help it. So let's get on to unboxing the sword. There's a lot of areas that look like they can open, so it's gonna see what I can do here, I guess. Okay. I don't know why they did that. Probably to stop punctures or something, but it's still closed. That didn't actually open the box. It's still all the way closed. So, let me get this piece off of here. Yeah, it's just a strip that's all over, the actual flaps. That's stupid. Whatever. I want to be careful there. I don't know what I'm cutting into. Oh, styrofoam is what I'm cutting into. So it's not a big deal. This is a nice sturdy box. I'm actually amazed. So let's talk about that for a second, actually. Sites like these are known for using the worst packing material you can probably think of. Amazingly, this isn't, and it has styrofoam in it. Usually these don't have like the styrofoam in it because that's too much for them to care about. And actually, oh my god, this looks way better than I thought. So that's good. Oops. So we got the blade here. It's all taped in too, so that's kind of cool. Where'd I put the knife? Let me cut some of this tape off. Alright, here's the sheath. This isn't that great. Oh, it's actually, no, it is great. Wow. Alright, so this is already coming undone, so I'm going to take all that off of there. It's, it feels like a PVC pipe that got squished, but correctly, you know? Like they took the PVC pipe and used an even press on it or something to flatten it out. It's really nice. I like it. And, oops. Yeah, the blade fits in it, so that is actually really nice. The paint job is, could be better, but, oh, it's actually separate, like, parts. Like, it feels like raised and not raised, like what they use, like thicker paint or something. It's got a couple scuff marks that are really, really hard to see. A couple not that great paint job parts, but other than that, it's not what I would call bad at all. I'm actually kind of amazed at this. This is actually not bad. Alright, so I'm going to set that down. And then there are other pieces in here that I need to get out, like the handle, the handguard, and stuff like that. And actually, that's it. Pretty sure there's nothing else in here, so I'm gonna put that down there. If there's anything else in there that they like sent me as like a free gift or something, because these sites do that, then I'll check in a minute. But I want to get this done first. Here's the handguard. It's just a simple rounded off rectangle. I might actually fix that because he does have a design on his, but this doesn't because they never do that kind of stuff. Here is the handle. Now this handle, what I liked about this one so much was it had a good large ornament on it. His has a really big ornament like that. So that's what I was going for. I might redo that actually because it's not in there very well. The grip is really nice actually. So that's good. Alright. Let's put this together. Oh, I want to take the blade out first. Okay, that's weird. It's like closed on all sides. Do that. Now, this is made of wood. The entire sword is. Even though the sheath seemed to be made of something else, like I'm guessing a plastic of some kind. I don't know which way this goes on. Oh, that is tight. And no, I don't mean like, oh, that's tight, yo. But I mean like, it's actually, like, I'm pulling on it and it's not coming back out. That was probably a mistake. Oh well, I guess I'm not fixing the way the sword looks, the handguard. It won't come back off. I thought I was going to have to glue that together, but I guess I don't. It's wobbly because it's a cheap wooden sword, but it's very nice, very lightweight. Okay, let's put it in the sheath now. Ooh, that slid in perfectly. Yeah, that's actually, oh my gosh, that's really nice. Okay, I'm actually very happy with this. Oddly enough. Because I didn't think I was going to be as happy with it as I am, but I am. Okay, so, oops, okay, that came untied. I'm gonna have to tie this up. Good, that didn't damage it. I knew this wasn't gonna stay tied very well. It's like a nylon kind of thing. I was thinking of maybe drilling holes in this and attaching them, even though they are actually wrapped around in the anime. I could probably just super glue the knot together and it'll probably just stay, or hot glue it together. It'll stay just fine. But I want to make sure it stays throughout the whole day, you know. I might even put, like I said, a hole in there. Then I might make it so that this has a hole in it when it goes around it and then bolt it on. That could work too. There are many different ways. Since this is a plastic sheath, that's easy to do. I can do that without a problem at all. And I don't even need this on here right now. So I'm just going to take this string off of there. Yeah, so I'll get you guys some good pictures of this, or some good footage anyway, showing it off. But it's actually really nice. Like I said, I might change this. I'm probably going to undo this and do it, like redo it. This is actually very nice. I like this. It's a little bit weird looking because of what it is. It's just like unbraided rope, but it looks correct. Everything's accurate, which is also weird. I might re-glue right here too. There's a little bit right here that needs to be probably glued down a little bit more. I can just use super glue for that. That's easy. It seems to be just fine though. So yeah, this is my Rimuru sword. Even though I said don't buy from this site, they actually did something good. This is one of the few things I've ever gotten from that wasn't a commission, basically, that isn't garbage. So now let's just hope that my costume isn't garbage. I bought the costume off Amazon, and I'm really hoping that it looks the way it's supposed to. So that will be out next month whenever I get it. The shoes should be out here in like a week, maybe, not even a week. But the costume barely shipped out. It was like last week, and it'll take another like week and a half or two to even arrive. And then I have to do the video and everything, so it'll be a while. But I'm actually very happy about this. So that is good. So this has been my review for the Rimuru sword that I got on Milanoo. Again, maybe don't buy from there just in case. It's hit or miss, mostly miss. So if you guys want to see this in action, it's going to be at KomoriCon 2019 in November is when I'm going to debut this whole costume basically. And I'm going to meet Brittany Karbowski, who voices Rimuru as Rimuru. So that'll be cool. Anyway, if you like this, go ahead and hit that like button, maybe subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys later.